You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
You are going to love the 2021 GLB. The Mercedes GLB is a spacious crossover that offers a plethora of technology and luxury features. Smooth acceleration and impeccable handling make this a fun vehicle to get behind the wheel of. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, hill descent control, steering wheel controls. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.